Question number 6. Solve the matrix equation 2, 2, 1, 5, 0 minus 3x equal to minus 7, 4, 2 and 6. Two, 1, 5, 0 and shifting left side minus 7, 4, 2, 6, that is equal to 3x is shifting right side. This will be positive 3x and 2 minus minus 2 plus 7 minus minus plus and 1 minus 4 5 minus 2 0 minus 6 equal to 3x. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 1 minus 4 that is equal to minus 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to positive 3 and minus 6 equal to 3x. And we find the value of x, that is 1 upon 3 times of 9 minus 3, 3 and minus 6. So x equal to 9 divided by 3, that is equal to 3. Minus 3 divided by 3, that is equal to minus 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Minus 6 divided by 3, that is equal to minus 2. Answer. Given matrix 2, 1, 5, 0 minus 3x equal to minus 7, 4, 2 and 6. We find the value of x. So shifting minus 7, 4, 2, 6 in left side, then this matrix will be negative, and minus 3x shifting right side, this will be positive 3x. And first element is 2 minus minus is plus, 2 plus 7. Then 1 minus 4, 5 minus 2, 0 minus 6 equal to 3x. 2 plus 7 equal to 9, 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3, 5 minus 2 equal to positive 3, 0 minus 6 equal to minus 6 equal to 3x. We find the value of x, then x equal to divided by 3. 3x then divided by 3 in matrix 3 minus 9 minus 3, 3 and minus 6. 9 divided by 3, that is equal to 3. Minus 3 divided by 3, that is equal to minus 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Minus 6 divided by 3, that is equal to minus 2. Answer. Question number 7. If 1, 4 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 2, 3 plus 2m is equal to 3 times of 3, 2, 0 minus 3. We find the value of m. 2m is equal to 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 zeros are 0. 3 into 3, that is equal to minus 9. And we are shifting 1, 4, minus 2, 3, right? Then this matrix will be negative 1, 4, minus 2, 3 and 2m equal to 9 minus 1, 6 minus 4, 0 plus 2, minus minus will be positive 2 and minus 9 minus 3. Then 2m is equal to 9 minus 1, 8, 6 minus 4, 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Minus 9 minus 3, that is equal to minus 12. So m is equal to half of 8, 2, 2 minus 12. So we get the value of m. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Minus 6 2s are minus 12. So value of m equal to 4 1 1 minus 6. Answer. Given 1 4 minus 2 3 plus 2m equal to 3 times of 3 2 0 minus 3. First of all, we are multiplying 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0. 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9, and we are shifting left side in right, then this will be negative, and 9 minus 1 6 minus 4 0 minus minus plus 2 and minus 9 minus 3, that is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2, 0 plus 2 is 2, minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12, and left side is 2m. We find the value of m divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Minus 12 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 6. Answer. Question number 8. Given A is equal to 2 minus 6 2 0, and B is equal to minus 3 2 4 0. C is equal to 4 0 0 2. Then find the value of x. If A plus 2x equal to 2b plus c. A is given 2 minus 6 2 0 plus 2x equal to 2 times of b is given minus 3 2 4 0, and plus c is 4 0 0 and 2. 2 minus 6 2 0 as it is, plus 2x equal to 2 3s are minus 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 into 0, that is 2, that is 0. 4 0 0 2 as it is, and 2x equal to minus 6 plus 4, 4 plus 0, 8 plus 0, and 0 plus 2, and shifting right side this will be negative. 2 minus 6 2 and 0. So 2x equal to minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2 and minus 2. 4 plus 6, minus minus will be positive, and 8 minus 2, 2 minus 0. So 2x equal to minus 4 10 6 2. So x is equal to half of minus 4 10 6 and 2. So value of x equal to minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Answer. Given A, B and C. A plus 2x equal to B, 2b plus C. A is 2 minus 6 2 0 plus 2x equal to 2 times of b is minus 3 2 4 0 plus c is 4 0 0 2. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 into 0, that will be 0, plus 4 0 0 2. 2x equal to minus 6 plus 4, minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2, and 4 plus 0, that is 4. 8 plus 0 is 8, and 0 plus 2 is 2. And we are shifting left side in right. This will be negative and minus 2 minus 2. 4 minus minus plus 6. 8 minus 2. 2 minus 0. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. That is 2x. So x is equal to half of minus 4, 10, 6 and 2. Minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. That is value of x. Answer. Question number 9. Find x and y if given x plus y equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 and x minus y is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. Its equation first and second. Then subtracting plus minus. X is cancel and y plus y, that is 2y equal to 7 minus 3, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 5 minus 3. So 2y equal to 7 minus 3 is 4, 0, 2, 2. So y is equal to half of 4, 0, 2, 2, which implies y is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, that is 0, 1 and 1. So we get the value of y is equal to 4, 2, 0, 1, 1, and we are putting y in equation first. So x is x plus 2, 0, 1, 1 equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. So x is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 minus 2, 0, 1, 1, which implies x equal to 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Answer. X equal to 5014 and y is equal to 2011. Answer. Given x plus y is equal to 7025, x minus y equal to 3003. First equation and second equation, we are subtracting equation first and second. X is cancel, so y plus y is equal to 2y, and 7 minus 3, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 5 minus 3, that is equal to 4022. 2y is equal to 4022. Y is equal to half of 4022. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. 0 divided by 2, that is 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And we get the value of y. We are substituting y in equation first. X plus y is 2011, that is equal to 7025. And we are shifting 2011 matrix in right side, then this will be negative, and 7 minus 2 equal to 5, 0 minus 0 equal to 0, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1, and 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So we get the value of x equal to 5014 and y is equal to 2011. Answer. Question number 10. If 2x 7 9 y minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 4 5 equal to 10 7 22 and 15, then find the value of x and y. 2 multiplied by x, that is equal to 2x, 7 2s are 14, 9 2s are 18, 2y minus 5 2s are 10, plus 6 minus 7 4 5 equal to 10 7 22 and 15. 2x plus 6 equal to 10. 2x plus 6 is equal to 10. First element, we are adding first element, and that will be equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10 minus 6, which implies 2x is equal to 4, and x is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. So we get the value of x equal to 2. And 18 plus 4 equal to 22, that is equal to 22. And 2y minus 10 plus 5, corresponding element, is equal to 15. 2y minus 5 equal to 15. Minus 10 plus 5 equal to minus 5, and we are shifting right. 2y is equal to 15 plus 5. 2y is equal to 20, and y is equal to 20 upon 2, that is 10. So y is equal to 10. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 10. Answer.